Hey guys, what's up? In this video, you are gonna learn about Nano text editor. It is a basic text editor with a basic functionality such as it is a regular text editing like syntax highlighting, multiple buffers, search and replace units, regular expression, spell checkings and etc. So let's get started. First off, you need to open your terminal. I will elaborate it. Now, usually the Nano will be a default or it will be installed in a Debian based distribution. To check if Nano is installed or not, you can simply type Nano space and dash dash version to see if Nano is installed or not. Here you can see I have my Nano installed. If you do not have it, you can simply type sudo apt install Nano. Hit enter and enter your password and your download should begin. Here you can see Nano is already the newest version. I have already installed it. Now to open a file, you can simply type it as Nano, the file name you want to create. I will create it as a file. Hit enter and you are in the Nano text editor. Now here you can see some of the options available for Nano editor. Here the triangle mark or the upper arrow key type mark is represents the control key and the M represents the alt key. Okay, did you get it? Now if you type control G, you will get help command, that is control and G. Here you can see you will get the help command. You can navigate it by your navigation key, that is your arrow keys. You can navigate it here. Now I will quit this man page. Now here you can see if you type Ctrl X, you will exit out of this file. If you type something here like DDD and if you press Ctrl O, this or the content I have written will be stored and it will write it up. And if you type Ctrl X, it will exit, but I will not do it. I will type simply Ctrl X. I will type no and here you should see your file, but it has not stored it as I have not written any contents on it. Now I will show you some of the advanced stuffs used in Nano, but usually Nano is a beginner tool. The advanced editor is the Vim. Now I will copy the contents of my password file for this video for your for the understanding purpose. I will copy etc bar password bar home tab. I will type it as pentester and tab the create a file with the file and I will type ls and here you can see the file. Now to open the file with a specific line number and a character name where your cursor should be, if you open the a file with Nano, the file name, it will give your cursor on the top of the line with the first character you have. But if you specify Nano space the plus sign and the first number you enter would be the line name, I will enter a random number that is of 10 and you should specify comma and you can type 4 or any type of character number you have. I will type 17. I hope there is no 17 type of character. 6. Here you can understand it by this line. You assume that it is a 10th line and the character number, meaning this is first character, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and I have written it as 10,6. This is the 10th line and the 6th word. Okay, did you get it? And you can type your file name, that is my file name is file, and hit enter, and here you can see the cursor is here in the 10th line and in the 6th word. You can type anything, but I will keep it as it is. Now to get a list of all command, you can type Ctrl G. If you don't know anything, I will quit out of it. Now if you omit that character number, you will be taken to this. You have specified the 10th line and the cursor would be in the first letter of that line. Okay, you can also omit that character number. But if you have opened the Nano with only the file name, you can also specify the specific line and the character you want to go by simply typing Ctrl plus Shift and the downward arrow. I will on my screen keys so that you can see it. You need to type Ctrl Shift and the arrow you will press, and then here you can see, wait the command to go out. Here you can see the enter line number and column number. There you can type the number you want to go. I will type 15, and you need to put a comma here. Here you can see they have specified it with a comma, and the column number you want to go. I will specify a random number, that is 6, and hit enter, and here you can see your cursor is in that line and is on that column. Now to search a text in the file, you can type Ctrl W, and here you can see it has showed me. I will type it as what to type, proxy pro. I will type only pro and hit enter, and here you can see it has showed me some of the result. If you don't think I have searched proxy, right, so I don't know need this proc, so I will skip it by simply typing Alt and W to see the next corresponding result, and here you can see it has showed me the result I was searching, that was proxy. Now if you want to search and replace the file, you can simply type Ctrl plus and the backslash. Okay, to replace a file, first you need to type the search you need to search key, that is I will type proxy, that is proxy, and hit enter, and you need to type the letter you want to replace instead of proxy. I will type SSS and hit enter. Next replace this instant, you can type Y to hit enter, and here you can see it has replaced proxy with the letter I have entered. Now pressing A will replace all the matches. I mean to say, now to exit I can type Ctrl 6 or Ctrl C to exit, and now I will search it again by typing Ctrl backslash, and I will type proxy, hit enter, and replace it with SSS, hit enter, and replace this session Y. Here you can also type it as pressing A. Pressing A will replace all the corresponding result it has found out. Okay, did you get it? And here you can see all the proxy has been changed by SS. I can replace it by simply typing Ctrl backslash, and I can type SSS, and you can replace it by proxy again. Hit enter, and you can type A to replace everything with the name SSS. Okay, now let us learn about copying, cutting and pasting the files or the letters in the Nano editor. Now to select a text or move the cursor, you need to move the cursor where you want to select the text. I will select it from mail, and you need to type Alt A to create a spot, and you can use your right arrow key to navigate, or it will select the contents you are moving. I will select it until user, and here you can see it has selected the contents. Now you can cancel the selection by simply typing Ctrl 6. It will cancel the selection. I will again select it by simply typing Alt A, and I will select it again until Alt A. Now to copy it you can type Alt 6, or to cut it you can type Ctrl K, and to paste it you can type Ctrl U. To copy to the clipboard you need to type Alt 6 and it is copied. But if you wanted to cut it, you can simply type it as, I will do it again for you, that is Alt A, and again. Now to cut it you can type Ctrl K. Here you can see it has cutted it. Now to paste it you can type Ctrl U. Voila! The commands work absolutely fine. Now to save the file you have done or you have edited, you can type it as Ctrl U. Sorry, that was let it be. You need to type Ctrl O to save it, and here you can see it is asking me file name to write. Hit enter, and your file has been saved now. Now to exit it you can type Ctrl X to exit, and you have successfully edited a file. Great! Now here you can see the file, and you can again nano it. You can simply type nano file to go to your first line and the first letter, and you have all the contents back. You can also type you can also use Vim editor, but it's somewhat of advanced stuff, but Nano is a good editor for a beginner level. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something in this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.